Okay, welcome back to SAT Geometry Tricks. We have here a right angle triangle with leg x and another leg x plus 2 and hypotenuse 2x minus 2. We're supposed to get x. Instead, in doing very hard calculation, we will do it in no time. How? From solving the Pythagorean theorem, we know that we have very common triangles, which 3, 4, 5 and 6, 8, 10. Okay, let's compare. If my side is 4, so x is 4, the second side will be what? 6. Do I have legs 4 and 6? No, so we're not gonna choose this one. Let's go to the next one. If one of the legs is 6, what will be the other leg? 6 plus 2, which is 8. Perfect. Okay, let's apply it in the hypotenuse. 2 times 6, 12. 12 minus 2, 10, which is the right one. So here, x equals 6. I'm done.